So what's up everyone, welcome to another vlog. Today I by chance booked a ticket to Bangalore. It's from again Chennai to Bangalore, and I don't know whether it was a coincidence or not. I'm flying exactly 3 months after the inaugural launch of the A350. So today is April 22. The flight was launched on January 22. So after 3 months I'm flying the A350 again to Bangalore. So let's see how Air India's A350 and the maintenance, everything after 3 months. So excited for this vlog. Let's see. So instead of Aero Bridge boarding, this time we are going to board in through stairs. So I don't know why, but a pretty massive flight like A350, the boarding should be always via Aero Bridge. But this time I don't know what happened. If there is any maintenance issue going or anything, we are boarding via stairs. So much hasn't changed since I flown 3 months ago. The inaugural flight was on January 22nd, and I'm flying exactly 3 months after. I don't know whether this is the same aircraft or the different aircraft, because there have been 2 to 3 aircraft delivered of A350 variant to Air India, and after 3 months I believe they're maintaining the aircraft really well. I just have to check if it was the same aircraft that I flew on January 22nd or not. But apart from that, they're maintaining the aircraft really well, and Tata is really doing a good job. So the flight that I'm currently taking is registered as JRH, but the one which I flew 3 months back was JRA. And this JRH flight was delivered just a week back. So it's a very brand new aircraft, and I can see just by the infotainment system as well as there are 4 aircraft that was delivered. I just spoke with the aerosters. They said there was 4 aircraft that was delivered, and this is the 4th one which was delivered a week back.
आपात स्थिति में अपना सामान विमान में ही रहने दें। कृपया सीट पॉकेट में उपलब्ध सुरक्षा सूचना कार्ड को ध्यानपूर्वक पढ़ें। धन्यवाद।
As they might fall into the seat, causing a potential
last time they provided a biryani and a juice. This time they have provided a sandwich and a juice packet in a bottle. So as you can see, I exited through that way, and that's the aircraft that I flew, and it is VBH is the call sign for this aircraft. And as you can see, this is one A350 and there's another A350 standing right there. So it is two A350s standing next to each other in Bangalore airport, and I saw another A350 which landed in Chennai as soon as we were taking off. So I saw three A350s today alone. So there is another one, so I don't know where that another aircraft is. So I am done with the flying. As you can see, there are two A350s, one right there, another one right here. So the flight experience was really good. There are a few things which I want to let you guys know. The flight which I took 3 months back was call sign VBA. I checked with the flight air hostess. They said few details. I was just quite curious whether it was the same aircraft that I flew 3 months back, but it seems it's not. And the one which I flew is registered as VBH, and it just got delivered a week back. So it's a very brand new aircraft that I flew this week as well. So I was lucky enough. And all because why I wanted to take this flight after 3 months was I wanted to know how the status of the aircraft is like, because sometimes there might be scratches, or they might have torn the seats. That's what the conditions of the previous aircraft were with the Air India. So I was just curious, but luckily I got to know, I got to experience the new aircraft which is call sign VBH. Now currently Air India has 4 A350s under their wing, 3 which I saw today alone. I don't know the status about the other A350. And the one more thing is, all the A350s are going international next week. It seems from May 1st, the air hostess said that, even it's on the news, the first flight is going to be from India to Dubai, and they are going to use all the A350s. And I was lucky enough to fly the A350 2 times, and the flight experience was really good the second time as well. And I hope you guys like the vlog. There was not much, since it's just the same flight and same route, and the only thing which was different was a new aircraft and the food. So they provided a sandwich, a juice and a water bottle. And as you can see, the terminal is quite good and well. I'm just yet to see the departure side, and I'm trying to take a flight soon. I'll try to see if I can find a cheap deal. Even I found this deal in the app called Vigo. So there are multiple apps through which you can use, like Vigo and Skyscanner, to get cheap deals of flights. I got this deal for just $1,500, and it was really good. And I have a goal. I have like a flight bucket list. I'm an aviation geek, right? So as of now, my list is to fly all the Indian airlines, and the only 2 airlines that are left are Vistara and Akasa. I want to fly Vistara before it gets merged. So let's see how the Vistara is, because I heard Vistara is really good in terms of hospitality and everything. And unfortunately, Air Asia was already merged, and I never got a chance to fly Air Asia. But I have flew Go Air, SpiceJet, Indigo, and even Air India Express once, and Indian Air as well in 2006. So there are more flight videos coming. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and subscribe. Thank you.